The whole staff started laughing at me, seeing one incident which impacted badly and pushed me one further step to change myself again. When I was obese, one day I was out for shopping some t-shirts in my town, and due to a small town there was no proper trial room. I was asked to check the size of the t-shirt in middle of the shop. I removed my t-shirt which I was wearing, it was loose. The whole staff started laughing at me, seeing बहुत शर्म आ रही थी मुझे. And the major part was about to come. जब पूरा shopping हो गया था, in the end when I was leaving the shop, the owner, the shopkeeper came to me and he gave a free lecture for my condition. He was saying like, you are suffering from this thing and still you are in this condition, like all those things. So okay, fine. It's like लोगों का काम है कहना. So he said so many things to me. But how I took, it changed me. मैंने उसने जो भी कहा मैं उसको positive thinking में लिया guys, and I decided so I have to change myself. Gone back, as joined gym, and I did all my things. And after few days, when I changed myself and I visited the same shop again, when all people were surprised to see me, even the shopkeeper, he came to me from his counter and he was like shocked, and he was asking the tips to how to lose the weight and all this. The only thing will help you to change yourself, to lose fat or gain muscle, whatever it may be, is your mindset, guys. How positively you are thinking, it helps you. Half work will be done if you think positive. If I can do this, आपको तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं होगी. So if you are planning to change and all those things, just start your journey, think positive. Whenever you doubt on yourself, just replace the doubt with your positive, think that you can do it.